If you're looking for passive income, click off this video now, because Local Toolkit Fortune only works if you're willing to do one thing most online marketers avoid: dealing with real local businesses. And I'm going to show you exactly how this system works. Stay with me. Most reviews call Local Toolkit Fortune simple or beginner-friendly, but they never explain what that actually means. So people either think it's magic or useless. The truth is, it's neither. It's a local business toolkit plus monetization system built around things businesses already pay for. Local businesses don't want marketing strategies. They want more phone calls, more customer inquiries, more visibility in their local area, and tools they don't have to learn. That's it. Local Toolkit Fortune is built around delivering those exact things. Here's how the system works in real terms. Inside Local Toolkit Fortune, you get access to ready-made local business tools, a framework to offer those tools to businesses, and training on how to monetize them ethically. You're not building software, neither are you running ads. You're offering businesses tools they already understand, like visibility tools, customer tools, and local presence tools, and charging for access, upgrades, or support. That's why this works for beginners. You're not convincing businesses they need something new. You're giving them something they already want. Now here's the part people don't like hearing. You do need to reach out to local businesses, but it's not cold calling. It's not pitching. It's literally showing them a useful tool and saying, here's something that can help you get more customers. The entry price is around $27. That price makes sense because this isn't a done-for-you agency. It's a system that teaches you how to create value locally. There are optional upgrades if you want more automation, but the core idea works without them. Plus, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it pressure-free. Setup is pretty easy too. Step 1, install and set up for websites in minutes with their WordPress backup process. Step 2, connect payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe. Step 3, promote this toolkit to local businesses and generate profit from paid upgrades naturally. That's it. It's this easy. Local Toolkit Fortune is boring to people chasing passive income, but it's interesting to people who want a simple, repeatable way to earn by helping real businesses. Local Toolkit Fortune is boring to people chasing passive income, but it's interesting to people who want a simple, repeatable way to earn by helping real businesses. If that's you, the link is below. Go through it carefully and decide based on logic, not hype. If that's you, the link is below. Check details on what you get inside. Go through details carefully and decide based on logic, not hype. See you around.